Want to delete an app from your iPhone but having trouble uninstalling it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall iPhone apps that won't uninstall. Now let's get started. There are a few iPhone apps that are unable to be uninstalled or disabled, such as the Phone app. However, if you're having trouble deleting other apps from your device, there are a few things you can try. If you don't see the option to remove any app from your iPhone, you may have accidentally disallowed deletion of apps in your settings. To check this, open your Settings app and select Screen Time. Then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then tap Deleting Apps. Make sure Allow is selected. Then go back to your home screen and hold down an app icon to test if you get the option to remove the app. Another way you can try to remove apps on your iPhone is through your settings. Open your Settings app and select General. Then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find the app you'd like to remove and tap it to select it. For any app that can be deleted, you should see the option to offload the app or remove the app. Offloading will free up some storage space on your iPhone by removing the app itself while keeping the app data. This allows you to temporarily delete an app and then pick up where you left off when you choose to reinstall it. If you want to fully delete the app and all its data, select the Delete option. That does it for 2 ways to remove apps that won't uninstall on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.